S3, Midshipman NC John Ray Gabalpin. S4, Midshipman NC Paul Manalo. S5, Majorettes leader Princess Taugan Riola. Band leader Midshipman Michael Angelo Alvarez. Company commander Midshipman NC John Angelo Aguila. Company XO Midshipman NC Jeffrey Garcia. First platoon leader boys Midshipman NC Romulo Gatpandan. Second platoon leader girls Midshipwoman NC Jessica Vera. Commandant Commander Wendell Boy Buntag, Philippine Navy. Band advisor coordinator Harold Hernandez. Majorettes trainer Napoleon Molina, Francis Leo Abejo. Band master trainer Raymond Nino Acido, Adrian Avelin Arcilla. Entry number 74, Mariners, Polytechnic Colleges, Foundation of Caraman, Camarines Sur, Incorporated. Thank you very much. Entry number 74, Mariners, Polytechnic Colleges Foundation of Caraman, Camarines Sur, Incorporated. Next entry, last entry, BICOL College of DARAGA, ALBAY. Competing in ROTC Mixed Company, Cadet Major John Christian Orbon, XO. Cadet Major Patricia Nicole Añasco, G1. Cadet Major Josh Ray Velitario, G2. Cadet Major Randy Lempio, G3. Cadet Major Rear Patrick Pantino, Core G4. Cadet Major Janine Manzanilla, Core G7. Majorettes leader Lizabel Peliago. Band leader Dan Martin Bolilan. Company Commander, Cadet Major Cassandra K. Regalario. Company XO, Cadet Major Jelly Castillo. First Platoon Leader, Boys, Cadet Major John Ray Igloso. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Cadet First Lieutenant Marie Marzan. Entry number 75, BICOL College, DARAGA, ALBAY.